Good morning. Keep it clean mobile detailing, man. And I'm your boy, KC. Right now, I'm not going to be doing any detailing today. I'm going to be taking some of my equipment to get oil change, shipping my Mighty 8070 out. I think it froze up on me. So we will be going to UPS shipping that out and also doing a few runs. So stick around and let's get it. Let's go. All right, y'all. Like I said, man, we just gonna be doing some running today, and I'm gonna bring y'all along with me, man. Something y'all must do for yourself, man. Having a business, man, you must take a day out, a day off to do your oil changes, your maintenance, man. You must take a day out of the month, however you want to do it, out of the month to do your oil changes. Make sure you're taking care of your equipment, because that's what takes care of you. And for me, man, it's not something I do, you know, but it's something I must start doing. So today is that day, man. I'm gonna get my oil change in my van. I need to get my brakes done too, but I don't think we're gonna get to that. Also, as y'all can see in the back of my van, man, I really took everything out of my van to get it fixed. I was supposed to bring it to the shop, but they can't give me a rental van because they don't have any right now. They can't give me a truck or nothing so I can continue to work. So I'm not gonna get my van fixed because somebody hit me in the back, and y'all know the wreck on the side or whatnot. But at the same time, I'm not gonna let them take my vehicle, not knowing when or how many days it's gonna take, and I'd be out of work. But guy's working on that for me at the collision center, so we're gonna check in with him today and see where he's at, because he was waiting on the guy that did my wrap to send him a quote how much it will be to repair my wrap also. Like I said, man, I want to get this wrap repaired, but at the same time, I might just go ahead and put the little extra money with that and get a whole totally different wrap. I'm sorry for the shakiness, y'all, because it is on a tripod and I am driving. But at the same time, deal with it. But like I said, man, take care of your vehicle, take care of your equipment, man, because that's what takes care of you, you know. And in the long run, it'll last longer. And make sure, man, when you're buying this equipment, you get warranties, because stuff breaks, man. And Harbor Freight is a good place that give warranties, man. And they swap it out, man. They don't try to fix it or none of that. They just straight swap it out. That's why a lot of us detailers and mechanics love Harbor Freight. Shout out to Harbor Freight. Y'all could sponsor the video. But I'm just saying, you dig? But I get back with y'all, man, when I get to the UPS store to drop my Mighty 8070 off. So let's get it. Let's go. All right, y'all. We made it to UPS, and it's not open till 2 o'clock. And right now, it's only 10:38. So we're putting it back in the car, and we're going somewhere else that's ship things out to UPS, so we can get this task knocked out, and then we're gonna go. What I said we had to do? Remind me. I forgot. But now, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna bring y'all along for the ride. Just wanted to let y'all know, man, that UPS, the warehouse part or whatever, where all the UPS truck, the original store, it's not open till 2 o'clock. So we're gonna go ahead on and go to this other one where I know it. So, all right, y'all, we're here at the UPS store. Return. All right, I'm gonna take the Mighty in, man. Hi.
Hello.
I want to ship this out.
Okay, so with this, I wouldn't have any packaging to put it in.
Yeah, we couldn't package that.
Very large.
Yeah. What I might suggest to you is you take it out. There's a place out in the Flower Bluff area. It's called Half Price Movers. They also ship UPS, but they have bigger boxes and stuff because they do moving stuff. So they might be able to package that and ship it for you.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just, yeah, we just can't. And if you can get it packaged somewhere else and they can't package it, you'll need to take it directly to the actual
UPS?
UPS on navigation.
Yeah, I did.
Once you get it all packaged.
They open at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, dear.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry we couldn't help you today.
That's okay. So now y'all see what I'm going through, trying to get this Mighty shipped out. I don't have a distributor in Corpus Christi to actually fix it. It sucks here, man. I ain't lying. It sucks in Corpus, man. You don't have much businesses, big businesses. It's all like personal little businesses, man. And you know, they don't do this, they don't do that. Nobody fixes extractors. It just sucks, man. I don't know why. I'm kind of pissed right now because this is the second place. But at the same time, man, it's just a hassle, man. Now I gotta go like 20 minutes away just to see if they got box and they can ship the thing. If I get there and they don't ship it or whatnot, I won't know what to do, man. But wait till 2 o'clock and see if I can ship it out there at the actual UPS store itself. But the lady just told me that I would have to have it boxed up already. So, I don't know. We'll see. Y'all stay tuned. Let me know down in the comments, man, if any of y'all know a distributor or somebody that fixes my tees that I can ship it to or whatnot, that's in the area of Corpus Christi or Houston. I know they have one probably in Houston, but I'm not trying to go 4 hours away unless I have to. But let me know down in the comments, man, if you had to ship anything the size of the Mighty 80 extractor out. Let me know what did you do and how did you ship it down in the comments, please. Thank you. All right, y'all. We had shout out to First Price Movers on SPID in Flower Bluff. Shout out to them, man. They do UPS shipping and they got big boxes. So if you need something shipped out, and it's a nice size, need a big box, they do moving, so they have all sorts of boxes, and they also said they can make you a box. So shout out to them. And we're gonna get this thing shipped out and get it fixed so the shampoo god can come back. The shampoo king can come back and ship out. And you know, they got all size boxes. They can do the labeling. They got big boxes. They got the stuff to go in the box and everything, man. And these stands, they're on sale somewhere. I seen them for $40, $50. I want to get 2 of these for my garage, for my chemicals, so I can restock on my chemicals. So y'all can see me talk. Y'all love my face? Yeah. But yeah, man, I'm just trying to get everything I can together, and today was a perfect day. I picked, and they also do FedEx shipping too. So today was a perfect day for me to do these things, because just when we was on our way over here, it started raining. So today is a real good day to do the things I'm doing, my maintenance stuff. So shout out to them from having the box size half price movers. So big shout out to them. I'll leave the information down in the description. So if y'all need stuff moved, boxes, y'all come here and check them out. All right, y'all, this is what we're bringing our pressure washer to get it fixed. What's going on? I'm alright.
Uh-oh. Big pump.
I want an oil change. And you know the string.
Yeah, okay.
How long it's gonna take you? 2 hours.
I don't know if I'd be able to do it today. I'll try.
I need it.
Yeah.
I need it.
I
Oh,
can
all
try.
right. Well, just fix the string, and I'll bring it when cause somebody about to hook my van up and bolt it down, and I just bring it. It's gonna be right there, so it'll be easy to change the oil.
Okay.
So just if you could do the string for me.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Let me
You
lift.
have the little handle?
No.
Okay. I
Want me to
can,
lift it up and put it over there for you? I don't want you.
yeah, that'll work.
Then put it on the table right there for me. I'm gonna be right here
Okay.
by them. You got it? Just hold on. Okay. And like I said, he always take care of my pressure washer, change my oil, fix the string, and things like that. So this is where I come at to get all my
Okay.
equipment fixed
I'll
at
take care of
right
it.
here. All right. I'll be right here by 501. But Port Airs, go-kart, small engine repair. This is the shop, y'all. They also got the motorbike shop. They got a few shops in this little area. This is where I be at. Kind of hang at with my guys at 501 Customs over here. I'll show you in a minute. Let me. Nah, he be acting like that shit gonna take so long for him to take the oil out. To take the oil out the motherfucker. He got a little thing that pumps the oil out. You know what I'm saying? He got the little thing that pumps the oil out. So it shouldn't take him that fucking long, so I don't want to leave. But like I said, it shouldn't take him that long to pump the oil out or whatnot and get us taken care of for the most part. We got a glass coming. I just moved over there. And that's where we did the van at for the fish place. But as y'all can see, man, 501 Customs, they do everything, sound, they do the sound. What the hell, he not here? They not even here. They not even here. They do the sound and everything. But look at that thing hanging. Huh?
His truck's here.
Yeah, they probably going to drop a customer off or something. And we did that truck yesterday. Just basically a wash. But his rims really do need to be polished. And it's missing some stuff right here. But if you can see right there, that just came from a wash yesterday. We just washed it and they already got that on there. And we did take care of those rims, so. But like I said, the brakes, I don't know who that van for right there. But like I said, we did it yesterday, and like the front brake, the dust needs ceramic coat. I don't know who this for, what they're getting done to it or whatnot, but this is the thing. This, my bumper, all the back bumper, and the side of this door and this door. As y'all can see down up in there, it needs to be pulled out. So the wrap's gonna be messed up. So we're waiting on the quote and also the door handle. So the wrap's gonna be messed up. Damn near this whole side, I guess, this whole door, or however they can do it. So the man wanted to know a quote on, you know, this back part and this, and also the back. It looks like it's simple, but the back side right here is cracked. I mean, it's dented in, so they're gonna have to pull it out, and it gotta go on a big machine. The guy said it has to go on a big machine, so therefore they're gonna have to send it to another shop, because their shop only has the smaller machine. So I don't know when it's gonna go. Whenever I can find a rental truck so I can put me a tank and a pressure washer in, that's when I guess I'll get it fixed. But I took all my shelving out and everything that I had built in there, because I'm gonna do it right this time, man. I want somebody that's doing mobile detailing setups to take care of it, to build it right and install all my stuff. But the thing about it is, a lot of places don't want to do it or don't want to deal with it if they're not selling you the whole setup, like the pressure washer, the generator. They want to sell you and hook you up with the whole setup. If you don't need that, they'll put you in line. Damn, that shit sounds good. But at the same time, if you're not getting the whole thing from them, then you put it on the back burner. You know what I mean? So I'm not trying to be on the back burner for nobody. If I'm spending my money, I feel like, you know, if I got my own shit, all I need you to do is build a wall and put the floor down and bolt the shit down. I'm paying you for it. So it really doesn't matter if I already got a pressure washer, a generator, air compressor, a tank. Why is it a problem for me to get service from you just because you offer the whole thing? You billing skids, so what is it? You know, I'm not understanding. But at the same time, man, you know, it is what it is. Everybody got their way of working. So right now, that's kind of like where I'm at. I got this other guy that builds out campers that's gonna take a look at it for me. He has some business to tend to, but my phone cracked, so I can't see his message or his number. So I have to get with him and see when I can knock it out or have it knocked out or whatnot. So at the same time, she booming. Y'all see that? Yeah, that thing bumping. That's that Jeep booming like that. But I'll get back with y'all as soon as I get this pressure washer. All right, y'all. I just want to say thank y'all for watching the video, man. And some things, man, I'm just going to bring it to the table, man, how it come each and every day. I'm going to do a vlog, man, and try to shoot it out to y'all, man. So make sure you like, follow, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram, man. Keep it clean mobile. Right now, we're about to go to Roadhouse. Me and the family about to go to Roadhouse and eat. So we'll check y'all later, man. Peace.